Our heels absorb much of the impact of walking, standing, and running. This massage moment soothes your heels and eases your plantar fascia and Achilles tendon. Sit tall with your feet on the ground, your weight evenly distributed between the ball and heel of your foot. Imagine inhaling through your feet, up your inside legs, into your abdomen. Let your breath expand and refresh every tissue that comes into your awareness. Exhale. Imagine the flow of your breath down the outside of your legs, through your feet, and back into the earth. Bring one foot up and rest it on your opposite thigh. Wrap your thumb around the Achilles tendon, your forefinger around the heel at the base of your arch. Circle your cupped hand around your heel. Keep your pressure light. Allow the drag of your fingers to warm and stretch the fascia under your hand. Switch to the opposite foot. This massage exchanges the fluid of your heel. Just as the porous stone of a mountain filters rainwater into spring water, you are essentially replenishing the spring of your heel, restoring its resilience to experience its full buoyancy. May you tread lightly upon the earth.